Bye.
Man, I got a bigger song, Wicked, man. 2,000 RPMs, and you're holding it right there, 30 dBs out there, no doubt about it. You're holding it 30 dBs, controller. I got a gate rolling, man. I'm just rolling one gate after another on you out there, no doubt about it. Hey, controller, you're going to hear it on the water gate. Bye. Got it. 720 Detroit, I got it. A 720. My radio is a buzz right now, but I got it. Hello, 720 up there around Detroit. A 720 up there around Detroit, I got it. 817 Mobile, bye. Come 217, you're in the Hall of Fame, man. Hey, 217, I hope I can get it back, but you in the Hall of Fame out there, no doubt about it, man. Well, you got them all down in my radio. Hello, 217. Hello, 217, I got it. 217, I pulled you out of the mess. 817 Mobile, bye.
Right there, right here, 817 Mobile.
Here I come, 2105 by 217, and another big brother, but that 2105 took my radio, that key. Hey, 2105, you kind of cleaned up my radio out there, no doubt about it, man. Take it, 217, take it to that other big brother, but 2105 took my radio, come on. Not much going on, TopCat. I was talking to 2105 out there. My radio was buzzing out there, man. I couldn't make out a damn thing until you keyed up. Hey, TopCat, I couldn't hear a damn thing until you keyed up out there and you cleaned out my radio. Hello out there, TopCat, Flint, Michigan, 817 Mobile. Say, let's talk about it at break. Contact TopCat. Well, I appreciate it, man. You have a super Sunday on your end out there, no doubt about it, because you're yanking and cranking out there in the Mobile, no doubt about it. Hey, Flint, Michigan, TopCat. Well, you got them all down in Arizona. We'll bump it on you later. Flint, Michigan, TopCat, 817 Mobile. Bye. Good day.
TopCat controllers are high.
Hey, Flint, Michigan, TopCat controller, put that wave on you, man. Hey, Flint, Michigan, TopCat, my friend controller, put that 5 on you out there, man. He said have a super Sunday out there, man. Controller in Flint, Michigan, TopCat, 817 Mobile, road that 5, bye. Bye, TopCat. You put that wave on Quack. Hey, Flint, Michigan, TopCat. You put that wave on Quack. They get Flint, Michigan, TopCat, and controller rode the 5 too. And he waving to you too. Flint, Michigan, TopCat, 817 Mobile in Arizona. Bye-bye-bye.
17350. Hello, 817
Right back out there, 350. Well, you sounding real good, man. Hello, my friend, 350 Super Sunday Wave. Hello there, 350 top of the day, 817 Mobile. Hear your radio. Bye-bye-bye.
17. Ain't no doubt about it, 817. We got here testing and tuning, man. 296 TopCat. 296 TopCat, baby. To you, Mr. 817, and that's Smoking Mobile 350 right back.
Right back, but you testing. You doing good, man. I got Flint, Michigan, TopCat trying to call Northern Cal. So, man, they made it a little rough, but you held your own. Take it 350. 350 while you're on the workbench. You sounding real good. Take care of TopCat up there around Flint, Michigan. 0817 Mobile. Cruise in my Mobile in Arizona. Bye-bye-bye. I see you now. Have a good Sunday. Bye. Bye-bye-bye.
Hey, 817. I want you to do me a personal favor, man. I want you to go ahead and time I get up 817, I want you to bump that mole right back down. Hello, Mr. 817, old Woody Woodpecker in Florida, back.
And look at how fast I keyed, Woody Woodpecker. Hey, Woody Woodpecker, 817, gonna try and bump it right back to you out there. Hello, my friend, Woody Woodpecker, 817 Mobile. Come on down.
Right back. Yellow dog back in your video is not my fault. And right now you talking in mine, so I'm gonna make that big show. I talk in your video. Hello, Mr. Worldwide 817. You know who it is downtown, West Palm Beach, Florida. Me and this old yellow dog 817 make my radio talk bye.
I got it all. You and your yellow dog right there, I got it all, man. Hey, Woody Woodpecker, I got it all because you said it all. Hey, Woody Woodpecker, I got it all because you said it all. Woody Woodpecker, you got them all down in my radio. Woody Woodpecker, 817 Mobile gone.
17 times.